I know what you mean. I'm not sure about like in terms of sea levels, but in terms of other like environmental racism is a thing. Like that is very much so a thing that is not acknowledged by corporations. But there's a lot of research done into it about how factories are specifically placed in people of color and low income communities. The University of Michigan released a huge study on this last year because they found out that there was a problem in Michigan where the corporations were just placing their factories, like in Detroit, like the car factories were just being placed so that there were hazardous waste sites all around these low-income communities. So the problem with, like, this is obviously a huge problem, but the thing about this is it's not being dealt with adequately. Like, these people cannot choose whether a factory is going to be put in their town or not. So we want to bring this attention to light and hopefully bring it to the government's light for regulations. Like, regulations are really, really important and key. Like, beyond a carbon tax, there's so many other things that could be talked about. And I think when we're talking about the issue of how does, like, climate change systematically, like, affect people of color, like, that is one of the huge ways. Like, how corporations specifically place their factories in low-income neighborhoods. And